So I've recently become obsessed with the Ecospheres. I just had to make one for myself, so I went to a pond even though it was freezing out, and I took some water and some dirt and put it into a jar. In this video, I'll show you what I found in that frozen pond. I thought, it's way too cold for there to be any life in here. Surprisingly, there is life everywhere if you know where to look. One such life form is the copepod. They are very common in both freshwater and saltwater. There's over 13,000 species, and 2,800 of those are in freshwater. This one is expecting. It has eggs and will hatch into many more baby copepods. They can also jump really fast. Let me bring that back for you. If anyone wants to count how many eggs this one has, please put it down in the comments below. I think these are called Planarians. They're a type of flatworm. It's hard to believe, but what I read online is that their mouths are actually on the middle of their underbelly. They're also really cool to look at. You can see right through them almost. I have no idea what these guys are. They're really fun to watch though. Watch how they swim through the water. That's the fun thing about hobbies. Learning new things. If you have a hobby you love and you think it would make a good video, please put that down in the comments below. And this goes without saying, if you learned something new from this video, please subscribe and ring that bell. Thanks so much for watching my video. I look forward to the next one.